Hello everybody, welcome to another episode of Prep, and today we're going to talk about, as Orton Gillingham called it, a level 1 skill, which is a beginning reading skill. So for parents who are not sure what your children should know with beginning or kindergarten reading skills, they're supposed to know about syllables. And syllables are parts of words that contain a vowel in it. And so the words that children are introduced to first are usually one syllable words like got, not, hit, go, no, high. Okay, and so in teaching children about syllables and those one syllable words, it's important that we teach them which words have closed syllables and which ones are open syllables. So the word got, not, and hit are examples of closed syllables, meaning that the vowel is followed by a consonant and the vowel sound is short. Unlike go, no, and high, those words are open syllables, and those words end in a vowel, and the vowel is long or saying its own name. So in teaching that to children who learn differently, you might want to use something that they understand, such as the word Roblox. Roblox is a very, very popular game with children, and they usually can recognize it and read it right away. So when you're trying to introduce the concept of open and closed syllables to children, you could use this to say, guys, what's that word? It's Roblox. Okay, today in our lesson, we're going to talk about the syllables that make up that word. Roblox is made from two syllables, blocks. And so if I were to separate the word by syllables, I would divide it here. And so what do you notice about the first syllable, row? It ends in the vowel O, and the vowel is saying its name. So when we have a syllable such as row, go, no, and high, those syllables are open, meaning that the vowel is at the end and the vowel says its name. So I'm going to label that first syllable, but my marker doesn't want to write, as an open syllable. And the second syllable in the word Roblox is blocks, and that's a closed syllable. And the reason why the O is not going O in that syllable and is going ah is because the syllable ends in the consonant X and is blocks. So this is an example of a closed syllable. Okay, and so you would tell your children, I would say what Miss Pam wants the students to know is that if we were to take off the X from Roblox, that word would be read as row blow. It would contain two open syllables because each syllable ends in a vowel. But when we put the consonant back, it shuts off that vowel sound to make it short. So you can continue to go into the lesson with teaching them about open and closed syllables by changing the vowels in Roblox and say, wonder if the O was an E. Because it is open, it would be pronounced re-blocks. And if we change the O to an E in the closed syllable, it would be re-blakes. Those are the types of assignments and tasks that get children attention, and it helps children who learn differently understand the concept of open and closed syllables. By using words that they're familiar with, you have their full undivided attention, and then you can go on to give them another list of words or more words that follow this pattern, such as robot, relax. And to learn more or to get a list of words that follow that pattern, please subscribe, and I will provide activities that contain more words with open and closed syllables to teach beginning readers. Thank you for joining and have a great day.